Today's the second day of spring break, Tuesday, and wherever we're going, which is a surprise, I hope to have some fun. We're at Planet Air. I can't believe it. Didn't expect it at all. And we hope to have a good time here, and I'll see you inside. Alright, so we have Planet Air. Wow. And first I'll go to the trampoline basketball area. See. Alright, so I chose the trampolines and the rope courses, and Mia chose the trampolines and the zip lines. Playground is tan bonito.
I chose the zip line and the trampolines.
it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you.
And the hardest one is probably this one up here. Bye bye.
Estoy ayudando a Mía que va a hacer ese.
go up to the. Now we're gonna go up to the ropes course and have to have some fun. Eh.
Let's go! Oh yeah, let's go. Come on, kid. Let's go, kid. Let's go, kid.
Yup, right there, bud. Go, kids, go, kids, go. Kid. Come on, kid. Let's go, kid. Yes! We're now sadly leaving that there. It was the greatest